This is a box turtle. It can be found in the Nature Center at the Salamonie Reservoir. It is an omnivore animal, which means it eats plants and animals, such as snails, insects, berries, fungi, slugs, worms, and roots. It can be found in all parts of Indiana, but especially at the Salamonie Reservoir. This premature bald eagle was killed by a substance called DDT. This is a substance that farmers used to put in their fields. The DDT had run off into the rivers and contaminated the fish, which caused the eagle to get sick. It eventually died because of the sickness and the chemicals in the DDT. This snapping turtle is another Indiana species you can find at the Reservoir Nature Center. They often choose ponds in residential areas as their homes, but they also travel through drainage ditches, allowing them to relocate in non-wildlife areas. Many female snapping turtles are hid along the side of the roads because of their nesting. During your journey down to the pond at the reservoir, you may come across some tracks from deer or other various wildlife that are residents at the reservoir. During your visit, you may notice many creatures in the water, depending on the weather. While visiting, you may observe people sifting through the water to find critters. These are water creatures that use some of the dead trees in the water to provide a habitat or a home. You may notice some people observing creatures after they're done sifting through the water. As you can see, the creatures that lie in these waters are not always very large, but they do make a huge impact on the habitat. This blue dial allows the oxygen levels to be tested. Oxygen is needed by all animals, even aquatic. This is showing how much oxygen is in the water. The darker the blue on the dials, the more oxygen is in the water.